In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check IMEI and serial number on Poco C75. The first method is go in settings, go in about phone, scroll down, go in detail info and specs, again scroll down, go in status, simply scroll down. Here you will see the IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. If you want to see the IMEI number of slot 1, then simply tap on slot 1. Here you can see IMEI number is showing of the slot 1. Tap on OK. Again, I will tap on the IMEI SIM slot 2. Here is the IMEI number of SIM slot 2. Tap on OK. Now, the another method is go in dialer. Dial here this code. Here you can see both IMEI number is showing and serial number is also showing. So this is how you can check IMEI number and serial number on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.